Hello, welcome to everyone. It is my fourth video on organic reaction mechanism. In this video, we are going to study about the attacking reagents, that is electrophile and nucleophile. Let's see on the board. Attacking reagent. Why it is called attacking reagent? Because it attacks on organic molecule. Attacking reagents are of two types. One is electrophile electrophilic reagent, and second is nucleophilic reagent or nucleophile. First we will understand what is electrophile. Electrophile. These words has two parts, electro and phile. Electro means electron and phile means loving or attracting. So electrophile is electron loving species. Why electrophile is electron loving species? Because it is electron deficient. So it loves electron. Due to electron deficiency, it attacks on the electron rich part of a molecule or atom in order to get electrons. We can say in other words that electrophile is electron acceptor. Let's some example. CH3 plus Br plus Cl plus NO2 plus, all these are positively charged and electron deficient. So all these are electrophile. Electrophiles are of two types, positively charged electrophile and neutral electrophile. Positively charged electrophile, H plus CH3 plus Br plus Cl plus NO2 plus nitrosonium plus, all are positively charged electrophile. Now we have to see, are these electrophiles are electron deficient or not. Here we can take CH3 plus. This is CH3 plus. Here carbon makes 3 bonds with 3 hydrogens. So carbon has 6 electrons. But it needs 8 electrons to get an octet. So this molecule is electron deficient. So it is an electrophile. Thus we can prove all these cations are electron deficient. So they are electrophile. Next, neutral electrophile. BF3, BCl3, AlCl3, CO2, or on the molecule which has polar functional group, such as CH3, C triple bond N, R, X, alkyl halides. These are also neutral electrophiles. Now we have to examine these molecules whether they are electron deficient or not. If they are electron deficient, then they will be electrophile. Let's see. BF3. Here central atom boron has formed 3 sigma bonds, so it has 6 electrons. But it needs 8 electrons to get an octet. So boron has an incomplete octet. So it is an electrophile. It can accept electron pair. Another reason is that boron has a p orbital, vacant p orbital. So it accepts electron pair from another atom or molecule. Now let's see the carbon dioxide. Here the structure of carbon dioxide. Here carbon makes 4 bonds with 2 oxygen. So carbon obtained and octet here. So how can we call it is an electrophile? Because oxygen is far more electronegative than carbon. So oxygen attracts the bond pair electron. This oxygen attracts the bond pair electrons towards it. This oxygen attracts the bond pair electron towards it. So carbon gets slight positive charge. So electron density in carbon is very low. So it is an electrophile. Let's take another example. There is a polar functional group. Here oxygen attracts the electron, so carbon gets slight positive charge, slight negative charge. Here carbon has a low electron density. Here carbon is electrophilic site. Electrophilic site. A nucleophile will attack in this position, and consequently it is a nucleophilic site. Nucleophilic site. An electrophile attacks in this site. Now we can say that these all molecules are electron deficient in this way. So they are all electrophiles. Another type electrophile is CH3 dot. That means CH3 free radical. Here carbon has 7 electrons. But carbon needs 8 electrons to obtain an octet. So carbon needs another electron. So carbon is electron deficient. So it is also an electrophile. Free radicals are also electrophiles. We saw that electrophiles are electron deficient and accepts electron pair. In this way, electrophiles are synonymous to Lewis acid. According to Lewis, acids are electron pair acceptor. Yes, we have seen that all electrophiles are electron pair acceptor. So, electrophiles are Lewis acid. So, let's sum up the characteristics of electrophiles. Electrophiles are electron deficient. Electron deficient. Number 2, central atom has incomplete octet. Number 3, has vacant p orbital and d orbital. Number 4, electrophiles are Lewis acid. Remember all these 4 characteristics of an electrophile. Now another type of reagent is nucleophile. Nucleophile. What is nucleophile? Nucleophile is opposite to electrophile. Electrophile was electron deficient, and here nucleophile is electron rich species. Electron rich species. It attacks on electron deficient part of a molecule. So nucleophile attacks electron deficient part of a molecule to donate excess electron. Let's have some example. OH minus NH3. Nucleophiles is either negatively charged anion or have an electron pair. So nucleophiles are of 2 types. Negatively charged anions or neutral nucleophile. Negatively charged nucleophile or neutral nucleophile. Negatively charged nucleophiles are hydride, OH minus, hydroxyl, CH3 minus, Br minus, R3C minus, alkoxy minus, NH2 minus. These are electron rich species. So these are nucleophiles. Next, neutral nucleophile. Neutral nucleophile, NH3, H2O, ROH, RNH2. All these have no charge on it, so they are neutral. Now let's see how are they nucleophile. Here NH3. Here is a lone pair. Here is lone pair. It is unshared electron pairs and it is excess electron, excess electron. So NH3 donates these excess lone pair of electrons to other atom or other molecule. So NH3 is a lone pair donor. So it is a nucleophile. In case of H2O, O, H, H. Here oxygen has two lone pair of electrons. Two lone pair of electrons. These lone pair of electrons are excess electrons. So it can donate these lone pair to other atoms in order to make bonds. So H2O is a nucleophile. Here another type of neutral nucleophile is pi electron rich species. These are alkene, alkyne, benzene, these acts as an electron donor file. So these are nucleophile. Another type of neutral nucleophile is organometallic compound, RMgX. Here R equal to methyl, ethyl, NX is halogen. In this case, carbon and a metal, carbon and metal direct bond. So here bond breaks in this position in order to get R minus MgX plus. This is also a nucleophile. So we saw that nucleophiles are electron pair donor. Electron pair donor. So nucleophile are synonymous to Lewis base. According to Lewis, base is electron pair donor. Lewis base. Base is electron pair donor. All nucleophiles are Lewis base. Lewis base. Now sum up what we have known about nucleophile. Nucleophiles are anions. Number 2, they have lone pair or unshared pair. Have two available pi electrons. Nucleophiles have two available pi electrons. That is all about nucleophile. Thank you.